How to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Bybit application and then you will have to go to more and you should see something called convert here. Now in this from section you will have to select USD. If you cannot find it, simply search here. Select here and now in this to select USDT. And you will be able to convert it easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.